Hello, I'm Agent 981, and I'm Agent 981's assistant. We work for the agency, and this is our office. Yeah. Can you check if there's a problem coming up in Agent 981? Yes, with my special watch, I can check anything that's happening around us. There's no problems, but there might be one soon. Oh, but I can do this cool trick. Did you like it? Yup. And let's get ready for the problem. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Yup. Woohoo! You forgot about me. Yeah. Oops, sorry. It's okay, but I did something bad. What is it? Check your watch. Yup. Oh no, there's a problem nearby. We have to go quick. Yeah, let's go. He's going up. Let's go up then. The door is locked. What's happening? Yeah, we better find out. Let's go in. Let's just start fighting, Agent 981. Bad black. Let's fight. Oh. Burn. Ooh. Let's hit him while he is dizzy. Okay. And I think he's defeated, but he's gonna come back next time. Yup, but it's still a good ending for us. Yeah, let's just leave this place. Yup, I think we'll train at the dojo some more. Well, next time. Bye.